All right, so let's see what's in the box. Just for your information, I've been keeping an eye on kind of like the latest products, especially for lighting gear for my truck, and it's pretty much the same thing all over the internet, and I didn't want something most people already have, so I wanted something a little bit different in terms of tail lights. And then I came across this one on Amazon, and right away I just knew it that I had to have them. All right, much better. Okay, check this out. Voila! Oh yeah. Oh hell no, these idiots. Oh man, big problem here. So these lights run off these I guess processors, whatever you want to call them. But if you notice, this one's already attached to the tail light itself. This one, it looks like through shipping, the tape came loose and it got stuck on the tail light itself. I hope it doesn't leave any residue on. I'll try to take it off, but if it's just something that I'm not happy with in terms of how it looks like, I'm just gonna have to return it. Well, let's take a look at the other one. What do you, okay, these two are loose as expected. Peel this red tab off and simply, you know, put it on somewhere in the lights where it won't interfere with the actual installation. We won't know that until we actually try to install it and find a good spot for these. What the heck is that? That's not cool. All right, well, here goes nothing. Oh, ooh, all right, aha. Guess what, guys? Not a big deal after all. Came loose. Looks like no damage to the lens itself. See that? Pretty clean. Well, the cool thing is that while all this is LED, this reverse light is a bulb. Now, I actually prefer that because I'll take out the lost fit LED reverse lights and pop them in here. So let's go ahead and install them. So I actually have to reach under the truck here, and so obviously this is towards the back of the truck. This is the cable coming in from the tail light, the right tail light. It's goes in through one of those holes there, and then down through the bottom, and then this one here, this is it. We're gonna have to let's see, pop this red button out. So after you pull this red tab back, the this little black tab, it has to press down, then you're able to yank it out of the socket there. I tested both tail lights before installing them to make sure they both work. The other wire that you also have to disconnect in addition to the main harness is that little wire you see sticking out there with the little blue tip. That connects to the light within the bed of the truck. So go ahead and pop that out as well. For now, I'm just dropping in the main harness cable, and after that, I'm going to drop in these modules or processors into that cavity. I'm I'm also using some black electrical tape to secure these connectors. Do I need that? No, but it just gives me a warm fuzzy feeling knowing that these connectors aren't going to come loose. That's all. So up next, I went ahead and removed the lost fit reverse lights from the old tail lights, and I pop them into these new tail lights here. And by the way, these are extremely bright, much brighter than the regular bulb. And of course, get under the truck and zip tie the cables together. Screwed in these little screws in place, and it's showtime. Aha! Alright, and here they are. Let me just go over these taillights really quickly with you and then show you what they look like in action. Overall, they were very easy to install. Simple plug and play. You basically just need basic tools, just a screwdriver, really. I really like how these tail lights look. They are fairly unique, and like I said before, I have not seen any other Silverado truck sporting these anywhere. But that doesn't mean I'm the only one with these tail lights currently. Now you can see through the lens here the LED lost fit reverse lights. Of course, they have side markers and their reflectors up on top. Now, the entire exterior of this truck has LED lighting, from the headlights to the fog lights to the turn signals, tail lights, and even the license plate. So yeah, pretty cool. If you made it this far, let me get your thoughts. What do you guys think about the LED light bar? You'll see that in a minute. Let me know if I should keep it or get rid of it. And by get rid of it, I mean just literally I would unplug it. I would keep it in place, but simply unplug it. I think it kind of takes away from these new tail lights. But I don't know. Let me know what you think. Okay, I'll shut up for now and let you check out these lights in action.